Hello everyone. SSC amadi topa government exams ki experience mayam ahanba maktada GKGS Manipurna welcome tawjari. Ngasisu GKGS Manipurna akhoi yamna maru oiraba topic Indian constitutions ki important articles nainabagi video ama mayam gi damakta puduna laksari. Hariba topic asi akhoi SSC ki upcoming exams of 2025 ta adum important oiragaduba topic amani ko maya. And Mamangdasu GKGS Manipurna khoi important topics like Indus Valley Civilization, 5 years plan, polity, classical dance, folk dance, sport, etc. Mayam topic mayam sing sita akhoi video puduna laksakre video class ka. Hariba class adu yengdriba brothers and sisters and viewers singna ai description da link soidan hapcharange or aigi YouTube ki playlist sangakanda yengbiu playlist semakanda thamjarabani ko maya. Adu mayamda kanagani hena khanjai and matung tarakpadasu GKGS Manipurna soidana atopa important topics singda video kaya ama semjarakini maram maduna GKGS Manipur gi channel asipu subscribe to bidriba brothers and sisters singna and experiencing subscribe to view and like amasung share to duna support to view and ningsing jari and ngasi class asi MCQ format su oigani ko me and masi topic wise dum chathaga do class and mayam na GKGS Manipur da sigi topic asi da video sembiro sigi topic asi da class to si haina haibira ko mayam ma yawi ka ado ai matam chana video purak pangam traga so soidana pudi purakigani and matam chana or toina video thagat pangam da bagi damak mayam na ngakpi gani ai personal problem laibadagi kitang video se toin thagat jabang amjadre maram asina mayamna ngakpi gani masi har kanda ngasi class honam torsi ngasi class ahan bagi ngasi class ki ahan ba question adu yengase in this article of the Indian Constitution is India referred to as Bharat karamba article of the Indian Constitution je India se Bharat haina kaubano han hangi ko so yengase option number A the article 1 option number B the article 3 and option number C the article 5 and option number D the article 7 ko okay yengase to tar here the correct option is option number A article 1 siniko article 1 kari hari India that is Bharat ko India that is Bharat shall be the union of states and hari so hida Bharat habis palle ko do tadi the correct option is article 1 with this akhoi article khara naina minna se asigi article 1 to 4 natra this is a part 1 of the Indian Constitution part 1 da akhoi the union and its territory ki matam maram da high the part 1 ai soidana Indian Constitution ki part naina bagi video of soidana mayam pujaraki ge ko and ngasi the article khakta gi oina maru oina chache part naina da ai soidana trick shop jarake ko ado ngasi gi the article sing soini yeng article 1 na kari hari akhoi name and territory of the Union. Article 2 na kari hai admission or establishment of the new states ka. Article 3 na article 2 edi repeal to kare ka. Article 3 na kari hai formation of new states, alteration of areas, boundaries and names of the existing state natra. And which states form to ba akhoi areas, boundaries change to ba and akhoi existing states ki maming hongdo hongje to ba article 3 da nainari. And article 4 na kari hai any laws made by parliament or passed by parliament under article 2 and article 3 are not considered constitutional amendments ko koi laws parliament article 2 muso article 3 ki makha da pass over laws in koi constitutional amendment and law de under article kya makha da article 368 ki makha da article 368 ta koi constitutional amendments nahi nari ko maya adana mayam nixing view karamba article da koi constitutional amendment nahi nari and hang tar da article 368 nahi nari hena koi khom de ni ko. So, with this, question number 2, under which article of the Indian Constitution does the Parliament have the authority to make laws regarding citizenship? Karamba article of the Indian Constitution da ka Parliament na citizenship ka mari laina na koi laws semba yaba no hange ko koi khange do ta part 2 of the Indian Constitution na koi gi citizenship ki matang da nainari citizenship ki matang da from article kya phok article 5 to 11 phok ta ko sigi maraksita karamba article da no an hangi ko option number A the article 5 dara option number B the article 11 dara and option number C the article 15 dara and option number D the article 9 dara option number C di oidre si citizenship ki matang da nei nadre ko adui taraga di yengasi here the correct option is option number B that is article 11 da nainari ko mayam adu ta di yengasi ko article sing da part 2 ki citizenship ki part 2 citizenship ki matang da nainaba ko yengasi article 5 da citizenship at the commencement of the constitution ko mayam aduga mayam article sing je akhoi loina hoi khara part ani hong ge article di part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 phok ge article sing de dum maru we ado dum dakan tori si su henam to hendo no maru we ba article sing du ne do mayam pabi ro ko and article 6 tan kari hare right of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan dagi migrated to ko India da sigi rights of citizenship ki matang dang nari and article 7 dan kari hare rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan ko sigi matang dan nari and article 8 dan kari hare rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India ko Indian origin ki karamba Indian origin residing outside India gi mokhoi gi rights of citizenship ki matang dan nari ko and article 9 dan kari hare person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign states not to be citizens and hare a person masana yana voluntarily atopa foreign state ki citizenship acquire to kribdo khoi not to be a citizens ka and article 10 dana kari hare continuance of the rights of citizenship ka article 11 ka jike khoi na question da naina ki the parliament to regulate the rights of citizenship by law ka this is part 2 of the Indian constitution that is citizenship ki part se naina article 5 to 11 se with this next question the continue to the phrase equality before law have say equality before law and have article 14 the yaw of the Indian constitution has been borrowed from the constitution of which country karamba constitution dagi karamba country gi constitution dagi borrow torok pano na hangi akhoi sigi se ma khoi polity gi class 9 na bada so dom ai hapsa garni ko question yaw ki bani ado mayam na class yang bibo brothers and sisters na de show na answer khang biram gani netra option de yang ase Britain dagi lawak pura US dagi lawak pura government of India yang 1935 dagi lawak pura Canada dagi lawak pura hangi ka that is the correct option is Britain dagi lawak pani ka Britain that is option A ka and yang ase de tare part 3 of the Indian constitution that is fundamental rights ki matang da naina ko part 3 yam na sawi ka article 12 tana koi gi definition hare article 13 na laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights matang na re koi maru oiba right to equality netra right to equality se article kya dan kya phok right to equality ki matang da naina ri article 14 daina article 18 phok right to equality ki matang da naina ri article 14 na kari hari du tarade equality before law people all are equal before law article 14 na hari article 15 na kari hari prohibition of discrimination ka sigi matang dai mai nei ri discriminate to ba ya de hena on the grounds of religion race caste sex place of birth etc ka article 16 na kari hari equality of opportunity natra in matters of public employment sigi matang da deals to nei ri article 17 na kari hari abolition of untouchability natra untouchability ki matang da nari ka article 18 na kari hari abolition of titles ki matang da khoi article 18 na nari except kari khoi military ki converter of or state na converter of to khok na ta na ka gyan tabi rakani ko mayam soidana right to equality se article 14 dena 18 phok se right to equality ki matang da nari ko article sing matang nei nakre ko with this next question the yang se which article in Indian constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability ko abolition of untouchability se karamba article of Indian constitution the yaw bono nang article 14 the yaw article 15 the yaw article 17 the yaw article 18 the yaw hang ko so akhoi ne khangre article 14 di kari ki hai ki equality of all before law and hai ki to equality before law and hai ki maru obini ko me adai article 15 na kari hari prohibition of discrimination se nai nari prohibition of discrimination And Article 17 na kari hari akhoi hujiki sigi question jigi the correct option is Article 17, abolition of untouchability. And Article 18 na kari hari abolition of titles except conferred by the military or state government. Natra abolition of titles ki matangda akhoi Article 18 na nainari sign tawdana the correct option is Article 17 ka. Mayam so you understand to biramagani na thazai ka. With this part 3 of the fundamental rights part 3 fundamental rights ka sigi mamang so khoi right to equality ki naina part 3 fundamental rights ki saruk amoina hantak so amuk naina re that is part 3 fundamental rights ki right to freedom gi matang right to freedom se article kya dan kya phuk khoi right to freedom gi matang da naina re Article 19 to 22 ho natra si yang ase tu Article 19 dan kari high protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech natra, and Article 20 dan kari high protection in respect of conviction for offense natra, for offense akhoi si matang da nainari ahanba point that no ex post facto law haibadi kari no haiba matamda akhoi people sing se kedoba mogi facto akhoi legally makhoi ni chumna tawjabdo adugi maramda akhoi maran sijilakanda punish ka hana punishment ka pibdo adu yate ka no double jeopardy netra no self discriminations hana akhoi point sing Article 20 da nainari, and Article 21 na yam maru oibani ko se Article 21 se yam question hangan bani me protection of life and personal liberty gi maram da nainari, and Article 21A right to education se akhoi 44th karamba amendment act na hapchila ko ne right to education ja 86 amendment act 2002 na hapchila ko ne ado amendment act ki video important amendment act ki video yengbidri brothers and sisters sing na khoi aige han description da link soidan hapcharange akhoi han class lawjagramni amendment act ki ado video da tang go through to biu yamna ka maru oibani adum question hangan ba topic amani hai tar amendment act si chuka adana mayam soidan amtang yengbiu akhoi Article 21A se akhoi amendment act 86 amendment act 2000 86 amendment act 2000 constitutional amendment act 2002 na hapchila kibini ka sain tawdana Article 22 the protection of right against protection against arrest and detention or in certain cases ka sisu akhoi nainari ka sign tawdana akhoi Article 19 to 22 phoksu mayam nainamina kra with this mayam so then understand to viramagani han thajai ka yengasi question number 5 ta question number 5 to kari hare du taragade how many freedoms are guaranteed have ni kama marak thangang bada soi ke or so mayam soi da ngak pi gani ka how many freedoms are guaranteed under Article 91A of the Indian Constitution ka Article 91A of the 91 gi ka 91 clause 1 gi of the Indian Constitution the freedom kaya guaranteed tawbano na hai ko taruk la tare la manga ra 11 la hen option kano mari pire so here the correct option is taruk ni ado originally akhoi ki constitution simak matam da 7 ne 7 si se akhoi ki 44th amendment constitutional amendment act na akhoi ki right to property se akhoi lauthokrakanda right to property se lauthokrakanda ma se legal right ama ohelakanda legal right ama ohenkhre under article kya ge makhada 300A gi makhada si sumayam nang singbiu hanta ki SSC GD ki exam da so si constitutional amendment act se hang ki bani ko ahan ba sip ta haitar ahan ba sip ta hang ki ba question na bani ko akhoi gi exam gi experience man habira pani sign ta na constitutional amendment gi question la I ka hena ko adom mayam nang singbiu ko adom maru oi question haitar with this yang ase du ta de akhoi under Article 91A gi makha da leiba freedom sing do kari no 91A have not 19(1) gi makha da have ni ko mayam ngakpi gani ka sure mayam with this Article 19(1)A freedom of speech and expression ka Article 19 clause 1 sub clause A da akhoi freedom of speech and expression nainari Article 19(1) B the kari nainari to assemble peacefully and without arms. Article 19(1)(c) the to form association and unions or cooperative societies. Article 19(1)(d) the kari to move freely throughout the territory of India, and Article 19(1)(e) the to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, and Article 19(1)(g) the to practice any profession, to carry on any occupation, trade or business habase khoi da sign tawdana nainari sigi khoi freedom taruk to ko article 19(1)(a) gi makhada guarantee tawba freedom taruk to hida nainare ko ahanba constitution semakpa matamda freedom sigi freedom guaranteed by article 19(1) je kya neba tare neba adubu 44th amendment act 1978 na akhoi gi right to property se article 300(a) gi makhada legal rights amo oin oihen khre han habako. With this next question the continue to our next question, that is question number 6. Whose article of the Indian Constitution deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? Natra protection of life and personal liberty se karamba articles of the Indian Constitution deals to kibano and hai record adamaya je akoin naina krim mamang, that is option karamba option no correct option je ma'am option jing naina ragum si option number B article 21 the naina rika yenga se adu tar with this akoigi fundamental rights ki saruk ama oina ka part 3 ki saruk ama oina rights against exploitation ka article 23 and 24 yamna maru oibani ka article 23 na kari gi matang da nainari kari gi matang da deal story prohibition of traffic in human beings, human trafficking gi natra, and forced laborers si gi matang da athing ba thammi ko article 23 na. And article 24 na kari hare prohibition of employment of children in factories nainari ka, and sida right to freedom of religion na article 25 to 28 right to freedom of religion gi matang da nainari ka yangasi the third article 25 na freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion gi matang da nainari. Article 26 na freedom to manage religious affairs, and article 27 na freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion, and article 28 na freedom as to attendance at religious instructions or religious worship in certain educational institutions. See religious institutions I don't know typing mistake ki tab so mayam na ngak pi gani ka. So sumai tawdana aina artha se sum yam soidan khangbi ramagani na khanjai ko aduna ne aina kitang thujilip se ko. So with this next question hojungai da cultural and educational rights ki matang da song nainam che koi fundamental rights ke saruk ama oina ko part 3 ge, and article 29 to 31 article 31 di repeal tawkre karina 44th constitutional amendment act 1970 and repeal tawkre ko. Article 29 da amu yeng se protection of interests of minorities ki matang da koi article 29 and nainari. Article 30 na kari right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions ki matang da article 30 is na nainari. Article 30 is the palli boko. So with this ma'am so I don't understand the viramagani and thazai aduna next continue to next question number 7. In his article of the Indian Constitution is the right to constitutional remedies mentioned. Right to constitutional remedies yan maru oiboko adumba sigi article se karamba article the mention to wano and hangeka. So article 30 there are article 29 there are article 32 there are article 23 there are see ma'am so I don't know here the correct option is that is option number katanga haure article 32 ko article 32 da ne ko high with the right to constitutional remedies na haise kari no ha matam da akhogi person namana mi amana supreme court sat pa ya na have ne or high court kari gi tamakta for getting his fundamental rights protected ko a person can move to supreme court or high court kai dona ba gi tamakta for getting his fundamental rights protected and habani. So I understand the viramagani ka ado akhogi sigi yam maru oiba right to constitutional remedies ki matang da yam maru oiba point amtang panjarang ge adu sigi hariba article number 32 right to constitutional remedies se akhogi B.R. Ambedkar na soul of the Indian Constitution, heart and soul of the Indian Constitution na hiram heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Sisisu mayam nikshingbiro ko karamba article bu okhoi heart and soul of Indian Constitution haina hairambano haina B R Ambedkar na hairambano and hangi ko article number 32, that is right to constitutional remedies ni ko. So with this question number 8 tamu continue to see which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy DPSP ko DPSP se karamba part of the Indian Constitution deals to bano hange part 1 dara part 2 dara part 3 dara part 4 dara natra part 1 da ye khoi kai togra union and its territory Indian union and its territory part 2 dana citizenship natra part 2 dana citizenship aduga part 3 dana hojik naina khre khoi kari fundamental rights ki matang da ko. So with this only option am khatam le more part 4 da khoi gi DPSP, that is directive principle of state policy is nainari bako directive principles of state policy article kya dan kya phungna article 36 to 51 phungni ko aduga sise non justifiable non justiciable or justiciable or habadi ke doba akhoi gi sise court amtan enforce to by yade and have name ko article 36 to 51 is non justiciable or and have ko and masi ke doba akoi Indian Constitution ta karamba to karamba country ki constitution dagi boro torok pano harak matam da Irish Constitution Ireland ki constitution dagi ka boro torok pane Irish Constitution dagi sisu mayam understand to biro akoi polity ki class naing nab dasu hana yaw krabani ko ado classing do yeng driba ko experiencing na tang go through to biyu yamna kana gani ka do tarade mayam so understand to biro magani. So with this next question the continue to say which article is mentioned equal justice and free legal aid ko karamba article da akoi equal justice and free legal aid se mention to again hangi ko article 51A dara article 39A dara article 14 dara article 15 dara and article 14 akoi naina gre article 15 prohibition of discrimination and article 14 equality before the law and high gre ko. So option ani khatang le more sidegi correct option said that is article 39A dani ko article 39A da equal justice and free legal aid has nainari. So with this question number 10 the continue to see which article of the Indian Constitution defines the uniform civil code khoi gi karamba article of the Indian Constitution the uniform civil code se mention toramba gi deals to bonon hange ko uniform civil code ki matang da, that is article 44 dara article 42 dara article 22 dara article 24 dara hain hai ko. So article 44 is the correct option here ko masida akoi article 44 ni uniform civil code ki matang da ni re ko ado karina uniform civil code have sam tam it is a common set of laws natra akoi common set of laws amane akoi like marriage divorce succession adoption sumba singyu matang da nainaba common set of laws amane ko akoi uniform civil code has. So so then understand to biramagani and thazai with this next question the continue to see next question number 11 in India under which provision is the separation of judiciary from the executive article 50 mandated havani. So article 50 say the separation of judiciary from the executive have article 50 separation of judiciary from the executive have article 50 the mention tawri haiba mention tawse karamba provision da ko karamba provision the mandated tawbono ibano yawbono order thokbono sini da ko. So adui tar di yengasi preamble of the Indian Constitution dara directive principles of the state policy dara 7 schedule dara conventional practice dara and option mari pire. So here the correct option is going khangre, that is option number B directive principles of the state policy tani kaigina article 36 to 51 se akoi directive principles of the state policy ki manung jale part 4 gi ko part 4 gi. So with this see the article 50 netro article 50 is article 36 to 51 gi manung netro. So adana it is a part of the directive principles of the state policy. With this next question the continue to see question number 13 Question number 13 na kari hari, which article of the Constitution of India makes provision for free and compulsory education for children under the PSP ka? Free and compulsory education for children under directive principle of state policy se karamba article da mention ta wano na hangi ka? Article 44 dara, Article 45 dara, Article 42 dara, Article 43 dara na option mari pire ka. Option Article 44 di uniform civil code ki matang da naina kre. So option ahum gatang ha hora sigi here the correct option is Article 45 sini ka. Article 45 sina akhoi ke tawba free and compulsory education for children se ke tawba provide tawgadum ni si government provision pi gadum ni hana direct tawriba ka. So I am confused sat pi ni ka, confused sat tanaw gi damak ta ai saida karigumba khara panjarang gi akhoi gi 86th amendment act na 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 na ka akhoi gi Article 21A gi makhada kaidoba akhoi gi free and compulsory education of children between 6 to 14 years se akhoi mention tawriba haibadi kaino Article 21A gi makhada akhoi gi children angang sing between 16 to 14 years of age laibase compulsory education pi gadubani habse fundamental rights ama oina lehan bani मैम सोदन ज्ञान ताबीरनी को अदुबो सिगी आर्टिकल 45 तना करी हारे चिल्ड्रन चाही तरुक की मखादा लैबसे कोई चाइल्ड केयर प्रोवाइड तौगदुबनी अदुगा कदौबा मखोइसे कंपलसरी एजुकेशन चाही तरा मरी की मखादा लैबसिना कंपलसरी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड तौगदुबनी हाबसे सिदना कदौबा अखोइगे गवर्नमेंट की प्रोविजन अमा ओइना डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स अमा ओइना थम्बने अदुगा आर्टिकल 21A दना कदौबा फ्री एंड कंपलसरी एजुकेशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन बिटवीन 6 to 14 years से फंडामेंटल राइट्स अमा ओइना थम्बने मैम से confusion चटपीगनो को अदुननी अइन हाइजर साइड अखोगी 96 Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 पुसिलेइस अदुगा अमा मो हाइबे या आर्टिकल 51A गी मखादा Article 51A gi makhada sisu akhoi gi 86 Constitutional Amendment Act na pusilakpani ko semamba provision amani haitare ado sisu ke daw hari akhoi gi children 16 to 14 years of age ki makhada laiba children sing je free and compulsory education provide was fundamental duty oigadubane na haiba hidana fundamental duty ama oigadubane na hari ko मैम सोइदना खंगबिरोनी को फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी ओगदोनी कई पेरेंट्स अमसुंग गार्जियन सिंगी कइदोबा फ्री एंड कंपलसरी एजुकेशन फॉर चिल्ड्रन प्रोवाइड ऑफ चिल्ड्रन द कंपलसरी एजुकेशन करम चिल्ड्रन 6 to 14 years पोक्त लाइब चिल्ड्रन सिंग द कंपलसरी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड तौबसे कइदोबा फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स और गार्जियन ओगदोनी हैना अखोगी आर्टिकल 51A सिना मेंशन तौरी मैम दे तार सिगी अहुम जे मानबनिना कंफ्यूजन चलंगनी को कंफ्यूजन चतपसे आई मैम सोइदन हजिक अंडरस्टैंड तो बिरमहनी न ताजे आर्टिकल 45 तने के दोबा खोगी प्रोविजन फॉर अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर प्रोवाइड तोगनी दुगा के दोबा 14 years of age फोक मनुंग द लैबा अंगांग सिंगदा एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड से गवर्नमेंट की प्रोविजन अमा ओहेला कांदा डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी ओइ के दोबनी एन हारि दुगा आर्टिकल्स 21A 86 Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 न प्रोवाइड तोगसना free and compulsory education of children between 6 to 14 years से मखोज fundamental rights अमा ओइन थमगदुबनी है हाय अदुगा आर्टिकल 51A दना के दोबा हारिबा free and compulsory education to children between 6 to 14 years age life compulsory education provide तोगदुबनी है से fundamental duty अमा ओइन थमबने for every parents and guardian ka sumai tawdana akhoi article ahum naina khre ka with this next naina jingai da akhoi gi directive principles of state policy gi article 36 to article 51 ka hida maru oiba article atopa maru oiba article khara panjarang ge article loina mak naina bodi yamna sanga gani an khanjai ka adana khatang naina si ka article 39A equal justice and free legal aid ki matang naina article 40 the organization of village panchayat ki matang Article 43A participation of workers in the management of industries ka Article 44 akhoi uniform civil code for citizens ka Article 45 provision for free and compulsory education for children sisigi matang da nainari And next yengase aduga article 48A ka protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife ka article 49 protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance article 50 separation of judiciary from the executive ka nainari and article 51 dana promotion of international peace and security gi matang nainari ka one of the most important article 51 ka promotion of international peace and security ka sigi matang da karamba article na nainari article 51 ka with this question number 14 da continue torsi under which article of the Indian Constitution are the fundamental duties mentioned ka karamba articles of the Indian Constitution the fundamental duties mentioned tauri and hai ka here akhoi hojik tas naina khre fundamental duties aina su pan gre mamangi question da ka article 51a dara 49 dara 48 dara 52 dara here the correct option is article 51a da ne ka fundamental duties akhoi ahan ba constitution semakpa matam da ka there was no fundamental duties ka fundamental duties yauram deba ko khogi hana constitution je semakpa matam da no list of fundamental duties aita adubu akogi 42nd amendment act 42nd constitutional amendment act of 1976 na akogi fundamental duties tara hapchele tara ko and 86 constitutional amendment act of 2002 na fundamental duties amma hapchila akanda hojik pulapna kya sure tara mathoi sure ko मैम सिने अखोई हजिक नाइनारी फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज पार्ट 4A दा हजिक पुलपना क्या सुखरे तरा मतोय अहानबदा 42nd constitutional amendment एक्ट ना तरा हापचिले अदुगा 86 constitutional amendment अमा हापचिला कांदा तरा मतोय इहान हाना originally constitution दे सेमको मतंदा no list of fundamental duties सिने मैम निसिंग बिको क्वेश्चन हंगबसु जायको इहान हाना अखोई constitution सेमको मतंदा fundamental duties yorok pra yorok te कोना हापचिला कोनी 42nd constitutional amendment act अमसों 86 constitutional amendment act ना हापचिला पन को मैम सोइदन हंगबिरमगने सी लिस्ट तरा मथोय दो हिता लाइरे सोइदन पाबीरो को मैम so with this next question now continue to our next question the article question number 15 which article of Indian constitution deals with the president of India gi matang da karamba articles of Indian constitution highly and hangiko article 61 dara 63 dara 51 dara 52 dara and option मैम नाइनारे ऑप्शन मर here the correct option is article 52 ko aduga article 61 dana kari impeachment of the president gi matang da nainari impeachment of president ko sisu मैम याम maru oiba article amni article 61 se sign taw dan maru oiba sing dai marakta option sing dagi dum lokhal kan panjerong ge ko so with this yang se article question number 16 da which article of Indian Constitution deals with the term of office of presidents term of the office of presidents karamba article of the Indian Constitution the mention tawbana hange ka so yengase article 56 tara article 55 tara article 53 tara article 59 tara hange here the correct option is article 56 tani ko maya so with this question number 17 the continue to see which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the impeachment of the president natra aina jikta su panjakre that is article 51 there 61 there 72 there article 356 there ka here the correct option is article 61 ka article 356 kari na president hina article 366 na kari hari president can impose president rules in a state amda कमाइन तौदन president rule impose तौगनी हाबसे अखोइगी सिगी article 356 नाइनरी का impose तौब याबसिगी मतांग हाइतारे का हाबदी article 356 of the Indian Constitution allows the president to impose president rules in his state and हाइरी को article 356 मैं so you understand तो बिरमोन हो जे अखोइ मणिपुर के याम related or issue नि नत्रा so with this next theory mate am yengminnarasi part 5 ki oina part 5 ki the union have the part 5 ni ko the chapter han with the executive the president and the vice president have ni ko the yengsi president gi matang the article 52 na the President of India mention Article 53 na the executive power of the union Article 53 na and Article 54 na election of the President Article 56 na term of the office of the President article kanjabgi the article sing the loina palle di mayam kuichu kuirani aduga loina maksu maru oiba nate ko aduna articles laukhatla kanda khoi panjarakpani Article 58 na qualification for election as president president election tawda maki darkar laiba qualification chahi natra adai ate ko darkar laiba criteria si do okhogi kedoba Article 58 na Article 60 the oath or affirmation by the president and Article 61 the procedure for the impeachment of the president hajikta mamang da so question das nainakra sign tawdana koi part 5 the union gi chapter han but the executive the president the president and the vice president akoi nainari ko so with this next question to continue torse next question number 18 which article of the Indian constitution deals with the vice president of India karamba article of the Indian constitution the vice president of India se panbano deals to bano hanangi so yengase article 65 dara article 66 dara article 63 dara article 69 dara hanangi so yengase andu taradi karam option dana akhoi article 65 tadi kari haidi akhoi option se nai naminarasi ko mayam the vice president to act as president karma matamda mahangna president oin mathau tawgani at the times of vacancies of the president seat natra dumba daide sigi matang na karma matamda vice president sana president oin act tawgani kan habs akhoi article 65 chida nainari and article 66 na election of vice president ki election ki matang da nainari and article 69 dana oath and affirmation by the vice president sigi matang da nainari with this here only option namatang le more that is the vice president of India article 63 ni deal story article 63 the mention story so aduna correct option se article 63 or option number C with this question number 19 the continue to which article of the Indian constitution grants the president the power to pardon suspend remit commute sentence in certain cases akhoi president the piba power haitare kam power the power of pardoning power suspension power remission power commute ki power haitar se singje karamba article na mention tawba non hangi yengase article 72 dara article 67 dara article 61 dara article 64 dara ko si di natre si di impeachment gi matang da nainaba hai ki ba impeachment of president gi matang da nainaba dum ba article dune only option ahum gatang ngore option ahum si dagi correct option ji the option number A that is article 72 the power of the president to pardon suspend remit commute sentence akoi si matang da nainari with this next question the question number 20 which article of the Constitution of India provides that there shall be a council of ministers with the prime minister as its head karamba article of the Indian Constitution the council of minister with the prime minister as its head have mention tawba non hange so article 74 1 dara article 74 2 dara article 73 1 dara article 71 3 dara option mari pire here the correct option is article 74 1 dani article 74 1 is correct option kari haire that there shall be a council of minister with the prime minister as its head kedona bugi damakta to add and advise the president president mating pangnaba or mon the advice tongnaba gidamakta and haibani with this ma'am understand to binamagni han thaizai question number 21 the continue torsi question number 21 kai hari article 76 of the Indian Constitution deals with article 76 na akogi Indian Constitution ka article 76 na kari matang da naina bano attorney sorry ma'am si akogi kaino typing mistake oidini attorney general of India and hagadam attorney general of India and hagadam or Attorney General for India in Harshego. So Council of Minister, Prime Minister, or Home Minister haina option mari pire. Here the correct option is Article 76 na Attorney General of India gi matang na Attorney General of India mayam soidana khangbiramagani ka. So, with this, question number 22 to continue to under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Parliament Constitution constituted? Karamba article of the Indian Constitution gi makhada ko karamba article of Indian Constitution gi makhada Parliament se semkhibna constituted tawkhibna hani Article 79 gi makhadara, Article 61 gi makhadara, Article 75 gi makhadara, Article 82 gi makhadara hani. Here karamba article gi makhada na, that is Article 79 gi makhada ni ko aduga kari Parliament se akhoi saruk mase ani akhoi gi house ani lei natra the Council of States haibanga Council of States haibanga aduga House of the People haibanga House of the People haibaga aduga Council of States haibase kaino akhoi gi Rajya Sabha dubani Rajya Sabha natra aduga House of the People haibagana akhoi gi Lok Sabha dubani ka. So mayam khangbirani ka Rajya Sabha na Council of States haibani aduga Council of States haibana Rajya Sabha haibani or House of the People haibana Lok Sabha haibani si ni se punsilakanda akhoi Parliament sembani si kaidoba karamba article da palli Article 79 da palli ka. So with this next question to continue to next question, the question number 23. Under which article of the Indian Constitution does the President have the power to consult Supreme Court on questions of law or fair? Karamba article ki makhada President na Supreme Court consult to yabano na hange ka. Yengasi dita the Article 110 ki makhadara, Article 140 ki makhadara, Article 143 ki makhadara, or Article 112 ki makhadara na hange ka. Adui taragana mayam yengase Article 110 dana makha kari palli article akhoi option sing nainarsi ko Article 110 di akhoi money bill gi matang da nainari money bill natra aduga Article 112 na kari hari annual financial statement haidi akhoi gi annual budget to koi budget haina pande constitution da ko akhoi ga Constitution of India da annual financial statement haina hai ko annual financial statement gi matang da hari Article 40 na kari hari Supreme Court ta hen by additional Supreme Court ta additional powers mayam piri Article 40 na additional power adu ta de akhoi option ma khatang lemhore that is Article 143 is the correct option here ko mayam khangbiramani ka aduga kaidoba mayam na khangjin gadu point amna akhoi gi Chief Justice amasung judges of Supreme Court and High Court kana na appoint to President appoint to ko President appoints Chief Justice natra and judges of Supreme Court and High Court ka sing President appoint to Chief Justice and Supreme Court and High Court aduga mahakna akhoi gi Supreme Court tagi ka so court ta consult to yai have on questions of laws and fact so karamba article mention to riba Article 143 to mention to riba ka and high ba Supreme Court na pirak pa advice sing Supreme Court na higher pa sing se President the binding to godum ne haibdi leite ba ka mayam so then understand to biramang ne thajai ka. So Article 110 na money bill madang da Article 140 na kaidoba Supreme Court sida akhoi gi additional powers mayam piri heba ko and Article 112 na akhoi annual financial statement gi matang da nainari. So with this yangase question number 24 da under which article of the Indian Constitution grants the President the power to promulgate ordinance when Parliament is not in session ka koi Parliament se dissolve to khama tam da Parliament se session laita matam da akhoi gi President sina promulgate to bagi power sai tar promulgate ordinance sai tar ordinance sai law or rules tu ni ko law making to rules sem badu ni ko sigi power se karamba article gi makha da pi bano an hange ko that is article number kya gi makhada 132 gi makhadara 123 gi makhadara 124 gi makhadara or 136 gi makhadara here the correct option is article number 123 gi makhada ni ko Article 123 sina kari hare parliament se dissolve tawkhra matamda habdi when the parliament is not in session ka president has the power to promulgate ordinance habdi law make tawbado or rule ma sembado bo coin ordinance hara khangni ka so see article 123 the mention tawri ka with this question number 25 to continue to question number 25 to kari hare under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Supreme Court recognized as a court of records? Supreme Court se karamba article of the Indian Constitution the courts of records only recognized over no and hangi ka. Have the courts of records have the akhoi gi proceedings amasung official judgments ma'am the proceedings and official judgment ma'am the officially recorded over the officially recorded over the ka adubo coin court of records haina artha hando ka karamba court amano karamba court no have matam the host proceedings and judgments are officially recorded and article 132 dara article 127 dara article 129 the mention tabura article 136 to mention tabura in option mari pi here the correct option is article 129 the mention tori ko court of records join ko high supreme court court of records only recognized story ka so with this question number 26 to continue to question number 26 na kari hari which article of the Indian Constitutions deals with the annual financial statement hojik ta saina pan gre ko mamangi questions na ina matam da question number 25 or 24 na ina matam da article 110 the mention to bura article 108 to mention to bura article 112 tara article 123 tara article 123 hojik ta khon mamang de na kre that is kari power of the president sorry ma'am power of president to promulgate ordinance when the parliament is not in session article 123 na hari article 110 na money bill gi matang da nainari article 108 na kari gi matang da nainari article 100 na allows the president to call a joint session of parliament in certain circumstances habadi article 108 na khoi president na joint session of the parliament kauba ya na have ne karamba circumstances ma'am the like khoi house amna money bill introduce to ko matam or ke doba house amna bill am reject to ko matam or bill am introduce to ko matam so matam da khoi president na khoi session parliament pham da matam da president na khoi joint session of the parliament kauba ya na have ne article 108 na have sika and here only one option is left that is annual financial statements article 112 to mention article 112 with this question number 27 the continue to say which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the High Court of Union Territories karamba article of the Indian Constitution High Court of the Union Territories kidamakta mention tawbano High Court of Union Territories ki matang mention tawbano hana hange article 235 dara article 261 dara article 214 dara article 241 dara hange here the correct option is article 241 ni kama article 214 na High Court of States ki matang mention tawri High Court of States ki matang da ka so with this understand the next question the continue to which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the power of the High Court to issue certain writs of the ma'am so in tabi ramani ai mamang do so khoi gi naina kre politics gi matang the writs of the summons or orders natra adum bodu ma'am do khoi ni writs koi ka a written order ka ta a written command ko sigi matang da karamba article na ko deals with the powers of the High Court to issue certain writs and have ni karamba article da no article 32 dara article 226 dara article 243b dara article 241 dara article 241 da hujikta naina khre high court of union territories ki matang da khoi article 241 da palli article 32 di kai no ngasa khoi na naina khre mayam amuka panjara ke ko sorry mayam khanao kitang nungai tabdagi problem kitang laigre ka article 32 na kari hari ba akhoi ki constitutional remedies ki matang da mention tawkre article 32 se constitutional remedies ki matang da naina khre ba ko se se akhoi na article 32 se B.R. Ambedkar na heart and soul of the Indian constitution ha ga su ko wen ha khre ko ko so with this akhoi only option ani khatang le more ko option ani sida the correct option is article 226 is the correct option ko. So with this question number 29 the continue to question number 29 the which article of the Indian constitution deals with the provisions that there shall be a governor for each state ka karamba article of the Indian constitution there shall be a governor for each state and hari ka article 141 there article 143 there article 153 there article 147 there and ka here the correct option is article 153 ka. So मैम सोइदना अंडरस्टैंड तौबिरमगने थजै को मैम सोम कुइना ngaksiladi khanaw nungaitaba amasung marakta soikiba yawi ka masigidamakta मैम na ngakpigani. And with this question number 30 the mu continue to say which article of the Indian constitution mentions that the governor shall act on the advice of council of minister karamba article of the Indian constitution governor shall act on the advice of the council of minister has highly beno and hangi ka here akhoi option yang se 145 tara 161 tara 163 tara and 136 tara and akhoi article option mari pire here the correct option is option number C 163 dani ko ma. And with this question number 31 the continue to question number 31 the kari hare which article of the Indian constitution deals with the power of governor to promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature ko do ngasagi power of the president to promulgate ordinance na kaya article 123 da ko mention to kiba aduga sidana hangisna akhoi governor na to promulgate ordinance power of the governor to promulgate ordinance during the recess of legislature ka when the legislature is not in session ka adu tadi yang se article 226 dara article 243 dara article 241 dara article 243b like article 213 dara na option mari pire ka ko hojikta article 226 kari ginen naina gra akhoi high court na rich issue to bagi power haina akhoi naina khre aduga article 241 na high court of the union territories and naina khre here the correct option is article 230 that is option number D shini ko article 213 shini ko ma. And with this question number 32 don't continue to say which article of the Indian constitution deals with the constitutions of panchayats ko constitutions of panchayat ki matang da karamba article of the Indian constitution naina bano na hangi ko yenga se article 234 dara article 239 AA dara article 243b dara article 253 dara and hangi here the correct option is article 243b ko matang sida panjaram ba ya ba ha ta article 239 AA mayam na khangbi ningangani ko sise kari to kari pi akhoi national capital of Delhi da special status period special status to the national capital territory of Delhi da ko kaina karam by amendment act na 69 constitutional amendment act 1991 ka so am says understand to biro article 239 AA na special status PD karamba jaga da national capital territory of Delhi da ka do karamba constitutional amendment act na 69 constitutional amendment act 1991 ka ma'am so then understand to biro moni aduga sigi question c correct option na option number C article 243b ka. With this question number 33 the continue to question number 33 the kari hare which article of the Indian constitution deals with the election to the municipalities ka election to the municipalities se karam by articles of the Indian constitution the naina bano article 243 z is article 243 z d article 243ZA, Article 243ZC and akhoi option mari pire. Here the correct option is Article 243ZA ko. The pan by abo point mo hai the Article 243ZA sina kari matang nari definition of cooperative societies. Cooperative societies abje kari no have se akhoi sigi Article 243ZA sida nainari. So with this, ma'am, next question to continue to next question to question number 34. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration of the scheduled areas and tribal areas? Scheduled areas and tribal areas administration to base karamba article of Indian Constitution ki matang da nainari bano palli bano deals to bano and hangi ko Article 244 dara, Article 242 dara, Article 238 dara, Article 232 dara and hangi. Here the correct option is Article 244 sinikoma. With this question number 35 to continue to which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the consolidated funds and public accounts of India and of the states series karamba articles that naina bano and consolidated funds of the mains funds na maru funds and public accounts of the India and of the states karamba article dano hanang Article 265 dara, Article 266 dara, Article 267 dara and Article 268 dara. Here the correct option is Article 266 and Article 267 dana kari contingency fund gi matang da nainari have the emergency fund of India ko sigi matang da nainari ko like akhoi natural calamities tholako matam da akhoi gi sinaba funds ko contingency funds ka di akhoi example ni ko in haijari da akhoi emergency fund have ne. So with this next question number 36 amu yang se question number 36 to kari hari which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the Finance Commission and karamba article of the Indian Constitution of Finance Commission gi matang da palli bano nainari bano ko Article 324 ki matang 324 na panbra ko Article 280 na panbra, Article 267 na panbra, Article 266 na panbra and hangi ko adu tardi now karamba article no or ni karamba option or ni yes ko here the correct option is Article 280 ko Article 280 no oidawni ko ma aduga Article 324 ko Article 324 se akhoi kari gi matang da naina bano ha matam da akhoi gi like Election Commission of India kai gi matang da naina ni ko pan ba yar hai ta ga de Article 324 1 ko ECI hai ta Election Commission of India ha tang ni sing biro ko ma. With this, okay, correct option say option number B, Article 280 or with this next question, now continue to next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with all India services? Natra all India services kumatang da karamba article of the Indian Constitution nainari bano Article 312 dara, Article 315 dara, Article 317 dara, Article 314 dara and hangi ko. Here the correct option is that is Article 312 siniko. Aduga Article 315 na kari matang nainari Public Service Commission for the Union and for the states natra Public Service Commission Union amasung state ki Public Service Commission gidi Article 315 da nainari mayam so don't understand to biramagani na thajai ko Article 312 na all India service ki matang da khoi deal story. So with this question number 38 to continue to see which article of the Indian Constitution mention the right to property. The right to property is the karamba article of the Indian Constitution mentioned to bano nangi 312 dara 300 a dara 324 dara Article 112 dara Article 112 tadi annual financial statement ka duga Article 300A sina akhoi right to property gi matang da nainari that is option number B C se akhoi 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 na hapchilakibani mase hana fundamental right oirambadagi akhoi article 300A gi makhada legal rights oina ohellakpani na akhoi haikre ko hanjin mention tawre and yamna sumaru oire ko dakta su hangre ko GD da. So with this question number 39 the continue to say with number 39 which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the elections to the House of People ko and to the legislative assemblies of the states to be on having ko si jamya samjin na do be on having ngomani to be on typing mistake ki damak mayam ko pigani on the basis of adult suffrage habdi mayam khangoni universal adult franchise sahi traimpan gi mathak ta laiba ko 18 years ki mathak ta laiba adult khai akoi voting rights pibedo ko na kai koi adult suffrage ko voting rights pibedo. So aduna House of People amasung legislative assemblies of the states da election tawbagi kenoba se karamba article of the Indian Constitution the mention tawba no hange ko election to the House of People and to the state legislative assemblies article 214 dara article 326 dara article 356 dara article 280 dara hange. Here the correct option is article 326 taniko article 356 tani kari hakiba presidents can impose president rules in India and hakim natra. So with this question number 40 don't continue to our question number 40 the which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the National Commission of Scheduled Castes se karamba article of the Indian Constitution mention tori karamba article of the Indian Constitution deals story hen hangeka article 338 tara article 338A tara article 238 tara article 338B tara hen hangeka. So yeng ase tu ta de article 338 na kari no National Commission for scheduled tribes say akhoi article 338 A dani and article 338 B dana National Commission for backward class se akhoi article 338 B dani nari. So here the correct option is article 338 the National Commission for Scheduled Castes akhoi mention tawri ko. So with this akhoi next question down continue to say which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the proclamation of emergency ko emergency proclamation tawba se karamba article of the Indian Constitution da nari mention tawri no deals tawri no na article. So option je main palam dre ko article 356 and high ke tumni ko article 356 article 360 article 358 article 352 ko. Here the correct option is article 352 sini ko article 356 ti kari hena high kre khoi na ngasai na hanjin so high kre allows the president to impose PR president rules in a state amda ka. So article 360 na kari akhoi financial emergency ki matang da khoi palli financial emergency and article 350 na kari suspension of provision of article 19 during emergency suspension of provision of article 19 during emergency ki matamda akhoi article 19 na piriba provision mayam do suspend to gadubani na akhoi article 350 at palli article 352 na kari akhoi proclamation of emergency proclaim to boga mari laina na sigi article 352 sida nainari cha asi baukta akhoi India da emergency ahum lak thamkhre ka amba sahi da 3 times natra 1962 da ma Indo-China war thokpa matamda ma and 1971 da ma khoi Pakistan war thokpa matamda ma and 1975 da ma ko khoi internal emergency natra sigi ahum je chuma khangbiro ko khangjenbiro. So with this next time we'll continue to question number 42 which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the power of the parliament to amend the constitution and procedure thereof. Amendment of the Indian Constitutions ko say power of the Parliament to amend the constitution de karamba article the mention toribano sin article 368 tara article 356 tara article 360 tara article 358 tara koi 360 using 9 akre 356 9 akre 350 and 9 akre ma'am so idna khangbiramoni here only one option is left, that is article 368 ka 368 ta khoi gi kedoba parliament na constitution che amend to yai hana khoi mention torib ko. So with this article 356 te kari gi matang da khoi hujik nai na khre article 356 na khoi president na state amda khoi PR thamba yai na hai khre ka president rule article 366 na financial emergency natra aduga article 350 na ka dawa provision provided by article 19 do emergency gi matamda suspended toba yai and high grade suspended toba yai and high grade natra. So with this okay only one option is left, that is article 368 chain option elimination je cho hai gedobni kome ado yang asi losilak pok loina na akhoi gi maru oiba article khitang akhoi nainazaram ge ko article 370 na kari temporary provision with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir adum hangi ko article 370 sisu ko karamba article na temporary provision with respect to state of Jammu and Kashmir provide to bono adu bo hantak akhoi gi yamna kaino 2019 exact year di ko hore ko akhoi gi sida repeal to gorbo kaino to bone article 370 se ko amuk yang asa article 371 special provision with respect to the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat and Maru Weba article 371A and Maru Were special provision of Nagaland article 371B special provision of Assam Natra article 371C akoi state ki oine yamna Maru Weba akoi state ki exam do so dum hang bani ka state ki high court exam ki kai do special provision of Manipur Natra Manipur ki special provision kram article the Palli and article 371C the article 371D dana special provision of Andhra Pradesh article 371 idana establishment of central university in Andhra Pradesh article 371F provision special provision of Sikkim and article 371G dana special provision to Mizoram natra si singje palli mayam tang pabiro with this ngasigi oina akoi important article naina bagi video si matang sida losinjare and PDF ki damakta amasung nungti gi khoi daily quiz khagak se tawjai amasung important updates ki damakta ai gi telegram channel da laijare si scan taro kanda or ai description da link hapcharonge madu mayam join tawshin biro and WhatsApp privacy now gisu WhatsApp channel or WhatsApp group ai description link soitan hapchan jaronge mayam join to biro and mayam na ai gi channel sidagi ai na provide to jariba video sidagi kana ba khajik nang oi tar su phangbi na khanbi taragadi mayam na like share amasung subscribe to biduna channel asibu support to biu hana ningsing jare and matung dasu madugi support to biduna ingon thongna ma oidene video kana kanaraba mayam ki damakte important or video sing propang ngamnap ki damakte thongna ma hapiu hana ningsing jare ma share kanda GKGS Manipur na mayam amu hana thagat jari thank you.